Hi foodies! Today I'm making one of Chef Pete's salads, okay? And what you need to do is get yourself some good lettuce, whatever you like. I'm using some romaine here, and get it cut into some nice pieces. That's our first step, right? Get it cut into some nice pieces. Get yourself a good sized bowl like I have here, all right? And get it right in there. Now, I have another video that shows you how to make croutons, okay? And watch that one. And I'm going to use these croutons in our salad today. All right, we're going to have a nice salad. This is going to go with some of our sandwiches that we're going to have today. I'll be making some sandwiches. And so there we get our lettuce in our bowl, okay? Let us continue on now with putting some things in here. You can make this any way you like it. I'm going to use some of these roasted red peppers to go in there, just like this. I'm going to get them out of the water. They're in water with a little salt. Okay, and then I'm going to dice these up and we're going to get them in our salad. Now you can do this any way you like. Put whatever you like, whatever your family likes, you can put into the salad, okay? Because salads are just like meals too, you know. All right, so here we go. We're going to take this and just sort of dice him up a little bit like that. Just dice him up. Make sure your knives are sharp, but don't cut yourself, okay? And up we go, right into the salad. Right in, right in, right in. You can add whatever you like in here. Bell peppers. I'm gonna put some of this beautiful, delicious cucumber here. There's one, and then I cut it like this so that we get smaller pieces so they're not huge and they come out diced. So now they're diced by cucumbers. See? Just like that. Seeds and all. If you don't like the seeds, take them out. Okay? All right. Now, I have some beautiful, delicious artichoke hearts. And I'm going to take these, get them on our board right here. And what I'm going to do with them is cut them through like this. They're already quartered. I'm just going to cut them through a little bit. Just cut them through. Cut them through if you see any larger pieces. Cut them through like that. Okay? Cut them through. These are pretty good. They don't have any tough outside edges. If you see any, just take them out. Right in you go. Okay? Right in you go with the artichoke hearts. Now, I've decided to add some red beets today to the mix. So, no juice, just the beets. So, pull them out. Kind of make sure they're drained. They can go in one piece, and I'm going to kind of chop them up a little bit, I think, so we don't have huge, giant pieces. And there we go with our beets. Okay, so here we go. We're going to cut them up. I think strips is good. We'll just cut them into strips like this. Here we go. There's that red beet dye, right? Time for Easter eggs. Well, we're past Easter now, right, everybody? Okay, so there we go. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to rinse my board off while Anthony is showing you how everything is just getting in that bowl. It's just amazing how it's doing. You know, put in your salad what you like. No, we don't touch this while I'm showing.
I'm just trying to show color.
No. All right. So now I think we're going to put some of these Roma tomatoes, okay? And I'm just going to sort of take out the core at the end, just like this, just like this, just like this, and just like this. Just take the core out right from the end, because that's where the stem connects, right? Okay, and then we're just going to cut them up. Just cut them up, cut them up.
Very thoughtful.
Cut them up. So this way, we cut them up. Now, if you like the seeds or you don't, you can do this. If you want the seeds out, just kind of mix them up on your board a little like this, and a lot of the seeds will come out, and you'll be left with the flesh that way. Okay, right in. And you can see how we've got seeds all over the board now, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me rinse this off. And then what we're going to do, I've decided we're going to put some avocados in here. So we're going to cut the avocados just like this. These are beautiful little avocados. Yeah. Okay. And we're going to put a couple of avocados in here so we make a nice meal salad is what we're having. It's like a meal, right, everybody? All right. Get your spoon and just come around and just come around like this and pull them right through, just like that, okay? All right, and what we're gonna do is turn them over because I'm gonna dice these little babies up. Beautiful avocados, look at them. Oh my God, absolutely beautiful. And then we're gonna come over here. There we go, that's good. And one more, just like this.
Perfectly ripe, aren't they?
Absolutely gorgeous they are. All right, now I'm going to rinse my hands just a little here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to cut these avocados up like this, come down, and now I'm making little dice pieces. See how we do? And we just come down like this way, this way, this way. Dice it there again. Come this way, this way. Now we've got it all diced, and we'll just pick him all up and throw him right in. Okay? This is really easy. Dice and throw, everybody, okay? Really easy to do. All right, and then I have one thing left that I'm going to put into this salad today that I'm making. Chef Pete's spring salad we're making. This is a beautiful salad, okay? And what we're going to do is add one more item to this salad. One more item. And what we're going to add today for this is some sliced olives, black olives.
Ooh,
okay?
That's good.
You can use whatever you like for your salad dressing, whatever you like. I don't know what we're going to use yet, but maybe a lemon vinegar, something like that. All right, so then we have this beautiful salad. And what we're going to do is mix him up. And
so colorful.
It's colorful, isn't it? So, but I don't want to forget. I made some beautiful croutons before. Alrighty? The easy way. And in go our croutons, just like this. There we go. I air fried some multi-grain bread, put some spices on it, and we're just going to mix this up. And I'm not going to put any salad dressing in it, so that way if I have anything left, I can store it in the fridge. Or if you're feeding this for a big group of people, you can put it in now or put it on the table. So there we go. And there we have it. Absolutely beautiful. A tossed green salad that is very easy to make, and you should give it a try next time you're doing it. Chef Pete's spring salad. Okay, so there we are. We'll see you again. Pete out.